Hello, directions for the January expense budget report. Go ahead and open up the file. So in this particular assignment, I already adjusted the column width so that you can see everything. The data is not changed the accounting format, it's just general. So the first thing we're going to do for the difference column is a basic formula to find out what's the difference between the budget and what the actual expenses were. So the formula is equals C4 minus B4, and it should be $100. Check, and go ahead and use your fill handle. Then you want to find the difference, the percentage. Well, how much is the actual, did it increase by? So this one is a complex formula because it has two math operations. Still starts with equals, and we'll be using the order of operations because you want it to do what's inside the parentheses first. So you still want it to do the actual minus the budget. So open parentheses, C4 minus B4, close the parentheses, and then divide by the difference. The actual. And it should be 3%. It's very small. Notice it's showing in many decimal places, so we're going to fix that. I could do it now and then fix all of them. It's up to you how you want to do it. I could fix it before I fill handle, but I'm going to select B4 all the way to D4 because I know I want those to be, I want just the top one to be the accounting format style, and then I'm going to hold Control and select row 10 and choose the accounting format style. Then you don't see anything here because we don't have totals yet, but the middle ones will be just the comma style. For the percent, I'm going to select all of those, and I want it to be in percent format, and it rounds it. So this one is just 4%, but if I want, I can increase it 1 decimal place or 2. Notice one is in the negatives because the actual was less than the budget. So, and the $100 is in parentheses. In future modules, we'll learn how to change the, so it's either negative or it's in the red, so you can change the formatting of it. But we'll leave it as is right now because you can see that it's less than with the parentheses and the negative sign. So I'm just going to do totals here. So my auto sum, and I wanted to add everything in the January budget, and I'll just check and drag that across. So next thing I want to do is I actually want to sort the expenses in alphabetic order. So I'm going to select X because it's not in a table, but I want rent to always have the 2,500, the 2,600. I want it to go across. So select everything, and I don't want the total expenses sorted at all, so I didn't select that. Go to Custom Sort and Filter, and I'm going to go to Custom Sort and make sure my data has headers, which they do, they have labels, and I want to sort by expenses, and then I'll click OK. Now right now rent is first, and it should be alphabetically insurance. And then watch what happens to the dollar sign because it put it in alphabetic order, the dollar sign moved. So all I'm going to do is re-put the accounting format here, and then for row 6 I'm going to just change that to comma. Later on, we'll learn ways to do it where you can go into special formatting and just remove the symbol. So for now, that's a quick way to do it. It's up to you now to do your merge and center, make it larger, add some shading, some cell styles here for the title, and then, of course, your total cells for the total row. And that'll be a save and submit. Thank you.